Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting devices ready. Make sure your Mac and the Apple TV or AirPlay 2 compatible TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable AirPlay on the TV and note the device name so you can pick it quickly. On your Mac, open Control Center or System Settings displays to reveal the AirPlay menu. This step exposes the target and prepares the connection. You do this now to avoid network or account mismatches later. Now pick the TV from the AirPlay drop-down on your Mac. You can choose to mirror your screen for identical display or use the TV as a separate display to extend your desktop. Choose depending on task. Once connected, open displays to set resolution and scaling so text and video look right. This reduces lag and blurriness. Also check sound in System Settings and switch output to the AirPlay device. That ensures audio follows video without extra steps. To finish, stop AirPlay from the Mac's Control Center or turning off mirroring and displays. This safely returns display and audio to your Mac. If you notice lag, dropped frames, or stutter, move both devices closer to the router or restart the TV and Mac. Network congestion is the usual culprit. If the TV doesn't appear, confirm both devices are on the same network and same Apple ID. Then toggle Wi-Fi or reboot the router. That resolves most discovery errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.